Well, hello there, friend. Andrew Najera here at Drew Installs Hardware. Thanks so much for stopping by and thanks for hanging out. Today we are swapping out levers on Schlage Mortise handle sets. I didn't even know you could do this. Apparently the levers that came with all the handle sets we installed were wrong. These are straight. They're supposed to have that return back to the door. And there's just a snap ring in that assembly there that holds the lever on. You got to remove that and then you can pop a new lever on. Pretty cool. So we got to do a bunch of these. I'll show you how we did it here. So you get the snap ring, you release the snap ring and then pull down on the lever and it separates from that outer assembly. And then remove that snap ring, the lever comes off, and you can pop the new lever onto that outer assembly, and then you reattach that snap ring and you've just replaced the outside lever just like that. So you put that snap ring back in there, and the kits that came with these to replace all of them, they come with this little tool. So you just set that snap ring back where it's going to go, and they come with this little press that'll press that snap ring into place. Just hit it with a hammer. So you set that there, hit it with a hammer, and that snap ring will relocate itself to where it's supposed to go, and then that outside lever is attached. Pretty cool. Yeah, we had a bunch of these to do. Some of them were pretty hard because all the grease and lube that's inside there, those snap ring pliers didn't want to grab sometimes. But yeah, this was great. That's attached. Thanks so much for checking it out, and I'll catch you next time.